Good evening. We are at the eve of Diwali. As you watch today, in South India, firecrackers would have started to burst. Today is a season of enjoyment and the most important festival in the Hindu calendar. This is a season which ends the festival season. The festival season begins with Ganesh Chaturthi and ends with this. This is a season in which, in India's FMCG and consumer goods, there's large scale sales and marketing. Primarily, what happens, India is an agrarian society, and people would have got money in their hands after the farms would have got a bountiful harvest. Unfortunately for India and her people, the last 2 years has been terrible. We have had a terrible time with a pandemic. This pandemic has been global, but what has happened is this pandemic has given rise to a K shaped recovery. People who have already had assets have become more wealthy, and people in the middle class and the lower classes below them have taken a pounding. Prices have gone up enormously, and every day when somebody goes to the fuel station, the prices seem to go up every day. In midst of all this, there has been a big push by banks and credit cards to tempt you with loans. I am reminded today of what Warren Buffett said, and I have experienced in my own life very painfully, that if you buy things today that you do not need, soon you will be selling things that you desperately need to keep. In the last 3 months, pink papers and other local vernacular papers have been full of advertisements of poor people being forced to sell their gold. They had pledged their gold, hoping that they would be able to tide over these difficult times. These difficult times have lasted more than what they thought it would. And the price of gold also dropped by 10%, which meant most people who had pledged their life savings to raise some money could not afford to keep the gold. These gold went into auctions, and these auctions were advertised all over in the pink paper. This, in effect, was a transfer of wealth from the poor to the rich. I have all the times told you and warned all of you not to use credit cards. But advice like mine is a minority, and the majority wants you to buy on credit cards, wants you to borrow and consume. In the last 20 days, the amount of money that has been spent on credit cards have gone up by 57%. All banks are very happy. But I want you to understand that if you cannot pay the bills on time, you are going to pay a heavy price. Not only these spends come to bite you in times that even if you have cash, you would have spent it. More importantly, most people are going to convert what they bought into equated monthly installments or EMIs. EMIs are very determinal to the health. The consumption you have done today will vanish tomorrow. The joy of buying a phone vanishes within a month, but you will have to spend the next 12 months paying for it. God forbid that you are not able to pay even one email. The delayed payment charges and the interest will be enormous. If you are bought on credit cards, then your interest is around 60%. If you only pay the minimum due charges on your cards, then it is going to take many a decade for you to clear the total amount of money you have borrowed. Most of us do not realize this. I am also informed through an article in Business Standard, banks have managed to disburse 65,000 crores, that to 1.38 million people in this period. This means that most middle class and lower middle class people are borrowing to consume. Borrowing to consume is very dangerous because you are looking for instant gratification. That is, you see a good, you want to buy it today, irrespective of the cost, you will pay for it. You will have no idea about the total cost of ownership that you are going to pay for a vehicle or any consumer good. Suppose you are buying a TV today, there is a very little chance that people use a television. I do not know when I last turned on my television. Most of my news comes through Twitter or news reports on my mobile phone, and the 4 newspapers I read every day. Most of what I want to watch in terms of documentaries or OTT platforms is either on my laptop or on my iPad. An iPad can be replaced by a tablet at a price far less than what you would pay for a television. My suggestion to you is to delay your gratification. The more you delay your gratification, the more money you put away means that you are giving time for money to grow. Money cannot buy you happiness, as a wise man did tell us. If you do not have money, you will put to a lot of discomfort. What money can buy is not happiness, but can buy comfort. If a loved one falls sick, money or health insurance will ensure that you do not go through the discomfort of having to run pillar to post to collect money to pay your hospital bills. If you have saved your money and kept it, you can make sure your children have a good education. Without a good education, your child has no chance in this world. Let us, on this festive season, when Goddess Lakshmi is supposed to visit us, look at how we can delay gratification and save money for our future. Thank you for supporting Be Rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम आनंद श्रीनिवासन है और मैं एक पर्सनल फाइनेंस कंसल्टेंट हूँ। मैं 2 YouTube चैनल चलाता हूँ पर्सनल फाइनेंस के बारे में। एक मनी पेज तमिल में है। मेरे बहुत से दोस्त बोले कि मैं हिंदी में एक चैनल शुरू करूं, तो मैंने एक पैसा बोलता है नाम का एक हिंदी चैनल शुरू किया है। मैं पर्सनल निवेश के बारे में ही बात करूंगा। आप उसको सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने दोस्तों को शेयर करें। अगर आप हिंदी नहीं जानते हैं तो पैसा करें। जो आपके दोस्त हिंदी जानते हैं उनको सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए आग्रह करें। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।